Molding is a very cost-effective and flexible means for manufacturing. And because of the versatility of plastics themselves, injection molding is often chosen as the preferred method for manufacturing. Now, when we're talking about the injection molding process, the whole thing begins with the material. When the material enters the building in the form of resins. Oftentimes, resins will show up in a container known as a gallon, which is a volume unit of measurement. And because different resins have different weights, that means that a Gaylord can give you different weights of the same volume. You will also often see resin come in 55-pound bags like these. And when you are working with really large quantities, you might see resin shipped in rail cars or train cars. The resin comes in the form of little pellets like these. Pellets are a great way to work with the material. Pellets allow the material to be moved around the factory in a couple different ways. It can either be used pneumatically, so that nobody needs to touch the material, or for small batches it could be moved by hand. Here we are looking at nylon 6/6 pellets in their natural state. You can see it's kind of got a off-white sort of look to it. But of course, it's rare for plastics to be used in their natural state. More often than not, we include an additive to change it from this natural color into something a little bit more appealing. Now, in terms of coloring materials, I like to use color concentrate. It is a lot cleaner and more consistent than your liquid colors or your powder colors. It also stays much, much cleaner when you're actually processing things. And what's pretty impressive about it is it truly is a concentrated material. This is a nylon 6/6 material, and it is kind of a white, sort of clear material. 1 pound to 0.04 pounds of color concentrate, not very much at all, can turn this material into a solid color like this. Pretty fascinating. Well, that's all I've got for you today. But make sure you come back and check out the channel later because we're working on some really cool things. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get all our latest content. And remember, go out there and do something cool today.